Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in the data analytics. Today's is learn as a part 3 is the tools of the threads, and this the module is introduce the basic tools that is every data analytics is used to collect, organize and analyze and as a visualize the data. First is a spreadsheet is basic. Spreadsheet is a software applications is used to organize the data in rows and the columns, and it is help perform the calculations, sorted the data, filter the informations, and as a create a chart and thinks of a spreadsheet as digital notebooks and where you can store and manage the data, and the main components is a row is a horizontal lines and the columns is a vertical line, and a cell is a intersections of rows and the columns, and as a worksheet is one page in a spreadsheet, and workbook is a file is containing of one and the more worksheet. Second is a Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one of the world's most popular spreadsheet applications and developed by Microsoft. And the Excel is help you to organize as a calculate, analyze and the visualize the data. And the features as the formulas and the functions as the chart and graph, pivot tables as a sorting and as a filtering, and conditional formattings. And example, company's record is monthly sales in excels and as a calculate totals in cells as automatically using the sum function. Third is a Google Sheet, as a Google Sheet is Google's as online spreadsheet applications, and it works like Excel's but is cloud based, allowing multiple people to work on a same files in simulatories. And the features is free to use as a automatic saving and the real time collaborations as accessible from any device and easy as a sharing. And example as a three employees is updated same sales report at same times as without sending files back and forth. Fourth is a database. As a database is a structured collections of the data to store electronical as a electrical is for as a easy to access, relevance and as a management. And the database is like a digital cupboards, is where the information is stored in a organized way. And example as a customer table says gives as the customer id, name and the cities, and after has to give a customer's id is 101 and names is rahul and the cities has to rajkot, and second customers third, and many customers has the data has to write. And the popular database is MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracles as Microsoft SQL servers, SQLite. Fifth is SQL as an introduction. SQL is a structured query language and is a programming language is used to communicate with a database, and the SQL is help you ask the questions through the database and get required the informations. And common SQL command as a select is view the data, insert is add a new data, update is modify the existing data, and the delete is remove the data. Example, as a select star from table name as a customers, and the semicolons has to give, and this the command is display all the customers records. 6 is a queries basics. As a queries is a request for as a specific information from a database, and as a queries is like to asking the database questions, and example is show all the customers record. So as a select star from a table name is the customers, and the semicolons has to give, and show only the customers from a Rajkot. So the select star from as the table name is the customers, and where conditions where as a city equal as a single quotes inside as a Rajkot, and the semicolons, and as a count a total customers. So as a select count, and counts inside as a star, and from the customers is a table name, and the semicolons has to give. So as a count all the customers. Seventh is a data visualization. Data visualizations means as a presenting data using a chart, graph, map, and a dashboard, and instance of looking long tables of numbers, charts, and make the data easy to understand. And common charts is a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, as a stacker chart, plot, and the dashboard. And an example as an instance of the readings 12th month of sales in figures. So the line charts is quickly as so the weathers as the sales are as an increase or as a decreasing. 8 is the table AU introductions. As a table AUs is a powerful data visualization tool, is used to create interactive dashboard and reports. And a table AUs is convert raw data into interactive charts without requiring much programming. And the features is a drag and drop the interface, attractive dashboards as a filter, maps, and the real time report. Examples: sales manager is use a tab view, and to see monthly sales by regions with colorful charts and as interactive filters. Ninth is a programming language. As a programming language is help as a automates a task, analyze a large data sets, and as a build a data analysis solutions, and then spreadsheets are as a not enough as a programming language is make the data analytics is a faster and as a more efficient. And a popular languages is the Python, R, SQL, Java for as applications, and Scala. And example as an instance of manually cleanings one legs rows in the Excel. So the Python can as a clean them as a automatically in a seconds. 10th is a R programming introducing. As a R is a programming language is especially as a design for as a statics, data analytics, and as a data visualizations. And R is help the data analytics is performed advanced calculations, create a graph, and analyze a large data sets. And the common use as a static statistical analytics, and machine learning as a chart and graph as a data cleanings and reporting. And examples healthcare researchers is used as a R to analyze Pential's data and identify trends in decrease spread. 11th is a version controls basic. As a version controls is a system that track changes is made to files and allow the user to manage different versions of a project. And the version controls is like history books for your files, and if you make mistakes you can return to a real versions. And a popular version controls tools like github, gitlabs, and the bitbuckets, and so all the version symbols. And the benefits is track changes, support teams works, and prevents accidentals, data loss, and allow rolls back to previous versions. And examples as two data analytics is works on a same project using the gits, and if one person says make a mistakes, and they can as restores the previous versions without losing the entire project. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel on the notification and bell icon.